Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your iPhone 12. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call. So let's quickly unlock the device. Now we need to make sure that our volume is up. So we can easily increase it by pressing this side button right here. And now, as you guys can see, it's up to the max, but it's the media volume. You can change it while being in an active call with somebody. And what you guys can do first is disable Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices. So you guys can do that here by pressing on the Bluetooth icon or by going into the settings and then over to Bluetooth. Now here you will turn it off completely, and here, as you guys can see, after you click it, you can just disable it so it's not connected to anything. Now after you disable the Bluetooth, it will rule out any connected devices like your AirPods or anything else like your other AirPods, and basically what it can do is it can prevent your device from connecting automatically to the headphones that you're not using. So what you guys can do next is go over and test another call by using the phone app right here or by using any other app. So for an example, you can use WhatsApp, you can use Discord, right here, as you guys can see, and basically you can use anything that just supports calls. Now what you guys can do next is restart your smartphone. So the way you do that here is you press the power button, the volume up button at the same time, and you keep on holding it. Now keep on holding it. You guys can also slide to power it off, and after you basically slide here, your phone will turn off, but this is not a restart. If you want to restart it, then just keep on holding. Now you guys can do that, but now you have to hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. So let's hold it. I'm not clicking on those side buttons on the left side. I'm only holding the power button. So our iPhone should turn on right now, and now it's restarted. So I'll see you guys once it's done. Now the iPhone is restarted, and after a restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is check for the software updates. So at the time there's no updates available, so whenever you go into the general and then go to software update, then you don't have the iOS. If you don't have the iOS 26.1, then there's no other updates right now. But if there's a new update, then make sure to update your phone. So if you're on the basic 26, make sure to update it to 26.1. As you guys can see here, we have the 26.2. We can easily update it by clicking on update now. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.